Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to download GTA San Andreas for free on your PC or laptop. So first open any browser and search for Steam download. Click on the first link that you see, then hit the install Steam button. And after the download finishes, go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, launch Steam and it'll ask you to log in. So if you already have an account, just sign in. If not, click on create account and make a new one. It's super easy. I couldn't sign in on my end because of a small problem, so I'll just show you the steps from here. So after you signed, head to the Steam homepage, use the search bar and type in GTA San Andreas. Click on the game from the list, and on the game page, scroll down and look for the add to cart button and go ahead and click it. Then tap on view cart and click on proceed to check out. And then choose your payment method and enter your card and billing information. And then after that, hit continue and finish up the checkout process. And then now go to your library, click on the home tab and you'll see GTA San Andreas there. Just press install and then you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you can download GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop for free. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.